Hi, my name is Sandy Weaver, and I'm the owner of Sandy's Cleaners. We've been here in the Charleston area since 1998, and we currently have 10 stores. I've worked with Dave now for close to 10 years, since I think 2014. And I will say it's the most effective advertising that we do. It's very simple, which I like. It comes in a packet, and it doesn't have 25 pieces in the packet. It's just very few, and it's very matter of fact. It goes out to people that are close to our stores, and it simply offers a free offer. And it's front and back. It's not anything over the top. It's just very direct. And it's very, very successful. And one of the things that we've come to like about it so much is down here, there's a QR code. And if we scan that QR code, then it sends out another offer to the same family for a second offer. And I like that because it offers us the capability of reaching our customer twice. So if you're thinking about doing something for your marketing program, I would highly, highly recommend this program. And if I have to say so, Dave's a pretty good guy.